you. Bless you. Bless you.
You got a cold, Siri?
Oh no. Oh no.
Did you not go into the garbage can? Good job. Can you
Blow your nose?
blow your nose one more time?
You got it. Good job. Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Gesundheit.
Bless you.
Thank you for wiping your nose. Good job. Are you sneezing too?
I know.
Can you sneeze? Whoa!
That's a big sneeze.
Whoa! Did your passy fall out when you sneezed? Can you say Spider-Man? Do you love Spider-Man?
Are you okay?
Ow! Do you need a kiss?
That's a big sneeze, Gesundheit.
Bless you. Bless you.
Are you gonna weigh yourself, Kirsten? How much do you weigh? Bless you.
I know, I heard that.
Oh, don't hold on to it, Kirsten. We'll see how much you weigh.
Let go of the basket, Kirsten.
Let go of the
Stand
basket.
still. Hey, buddy. Let go of the basket and stand still. Let's see what it says.
Oh, you have to lift him up again.
Okay, ready? Put feet down. Stand still. Wait, 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 wait.
45 pounds.
Woo!
You're getting big.
Good job standing still. Shoo!
Big
Wow.
sneezes.
Whoa, Siri.
You gonna blow your nose too, Kirsten? Uh-oh, the kids have colds.
Oh, no. Kirsten.
Bless you. Can you blow your nose?
Good job, Siri. Good blowing, babies.
Okay, I think
Okay.
that's enough blowing your nose for today.
One more.
Okay, one more. Last one.
Okay, that's enough, Kirsten.
That's enough
Stop,
toilet paper.
Stop. Good job. Thanks, Siri.
Okay, all done.